Hey folks, welcome back to another new episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make quality cocktails at home using affordable ingredients from what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy gin drink, the Elderflower Cocktail. What makes the Elderflower Cocktail easy to make is that it uses 5 ingredients: gin, elderflower liqueur, simple syrup, sparkling white wine, and lemon juice. So the elderflower liqueur is the outlier here, so let's talk about that real quick. Now, as mentioned in my earlier video about affordable liqueurs, St. Elder is a substitute for St. Germain, both of which are flavored with elderflower. What's interesting about this is that elderflower flavored liqueurs didn't really make their way into the scene until, well, fairly recently. The St. Germain didn't make its way out until 2007, and that is named after the Catholic St. Germain of the 6th century. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with our elderflower cocktail. To begin, we're going to need 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we have Gordon's Gin. This is our top of the bottom shelf brand that we've been using the last couple episodes. Our next ingredient is going to be 3/4 of an ounce of the St. Elder liqueur, which is our elderflower liqueur. 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to need 1/2 ounce of just regular old simple syrup. Then we're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Alright, we're going to add a couple cubes into our cocktail shaker there. We're going to top it off with some sparkling white wine. Alright folks, here we go with the Elderflower Cocktail. Cheers! This is pretty good. In addition to the sparkling white wine, I can clearly taste the elderflower, and I think it balances well with the white wine. The juniper berry from the gin also balances with the elderflower and the white wine and the lemon juice. I actually think this is a really good recipe. Everything kind of balances out and it all tastes really good together. Well folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode. Let me know in the comments what you think of elderflower liqueur and what cocktails you've ever used it in. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making affordable cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you in the next episode.